$1K for put my feet on the water. Shit. That water, I will put my feet on the water with a $1K, guys. Who can pay? When I saying high money, a lot of money, it means I don't want to do, because here fucking cold. I can't. My feet would be dead. What? Here can't pay anything. No one here. So next ticketing is 270 meters later. Everyone donate $35 each. Who? Make it up to $10K. Impossible. Hey, wait! You wanna make me wet my feet? Hey, I have a question. I'm wet is a proper mention, right? Then, do you wanna make me wet my feet? Is a proper mention too? Is that proper mention too? Up to butt? I will dead. Going to leave with the no toes. That's true. Hey, up to butt, I will dead. You know that my feet is, my leg already feel nothing. Look at this. This close so hurt. Why did you go to hiking this time? I will never go to hiking if with this weather. But people keep going up. Crazy people, crazy person. You guys are crazy boo-boo. I don't understand everything, guys. Look at my nose. My nose red. It looks like I'm drunken. My nose is high, so it's more red. Cold. My nose really is red. They sell some of the kind of soju, 막걸리 kinda, but it's closed. It's closed. Why? Here it's closed. 탕허르, guys. Ooh, it's closed too. Nowhere open. What? Hey, here all are closed. What happened? Oh my god, piggy. Russia is always winter. It's case by case, isn't it? Hey, the last toilet, but it's okay. I already visited the toilet. Mama Ming Ming, cat Mama Ming Ming. But hey. I am not cold country person. So everything made me so cold.